Welcome to the English Expressions lesson series from Daily English Vocabulary. Today's expression is break the ice. It is an idiom. Break the ice means to say or do something that helps people feel more comfortable when they first meet or when a situation feels awkward. We can use this when meeting new people, starting a conversation, beginning a meeting, making people feel relaxed. Examples: the teacher told a funny story to break the ice on the first day of class. We played a quick game to break the ice before the meeting started. He asked a simple question to break the ice with his new colleagues. Learning is easy. Using it is what matters. Try today's expression and join us for more English lessons.